So at this point, we have two options to display our content. First of all, we can do what we did before and use a field inside of our review in order to display it. And then the second option would be to simply display our full node for our product. Right now we have the fields format selected, so let's go ahead and try to display our product by using our relationship to the review. So we can remove this title. I'll click the title and click remove. And then under fields, I'll click add. And we're going to do a search for product reference. And I'll check it and click apply all displays. Now this wouldn't be available to us if we didn't have the relationship. And you see how we can choose a relationship for our field as well, just like we did with our contextual filter. We want to use a relationship this time because we want to pull this field from our review and not from our product node. Our product node doesn't have this field in it. We'll go ahead and uncheck create a label. And for formatter, we'll select rendered entity like we did before. And for our view mode, we'll select sidebar. We'll uncheck show links and click apply all displays. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down here and you see we have 11 inside of our contextual filter and we're displaying the content, our sidebar content. And we did so by this circular type of relationship that we created. Now, because this is a product-based view, we should also be able to use a full node display instead of fields to display this and not use a relationship at all for displaying the content. We still need it for our contextual filter in order to relate what's in the URL to the content that we're displaying, but we should be able to display the full content without it. So I'm going to scroll up to the top and under show here, I'm going to click fields and we're going to display content instead of fields. And I'll click apply all displays. We won't use a relationship. And for our view mode, we're going to use sidebar and we'll uncheck display links and click apply all displays. And if we scroll down, we'll see the same content here. We can click update preview just to make sure that everything got updated, and it is. So we have about this product, our image, and our description. So those are the two different ways we can access this content in order to display it.